In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Todoist habit tracker. Whether you're a seasoned Todoist user or just getting started, integrating the habit tracker can significantly boost your productivity. Now, let's dive in and get started with the setup. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see your avatar. Clicking your avatar will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is essentially the heart of your Todoist account, packed full of options to customize your experience. Feel free to poke around later, but for now, we're focusing on a specific area to enhance our productivity with habits. After entering Settings, the next step is to connect your habit tracking feature. Look for the Integrations tab. It's a treasure trove of possibilities, allowing you to add more functionality to your Todoist account. Click on Integrations, and a new window will appear where our journey continues. Within the Integrations settings, you'll find the Browse option at the top. This is your gateway to discovering an array of integration options. Click on Browse, and let the possibilities unfold before you. As you scroll through this extensive list, keep an eye out for the Habit Tracker integration. This is the tool that's going to transform how you keep track of daily and weekly habits. Once you spot the Habit Tracker among the list, go ahead and click on it. You're almost at the finish line. Now click the Add button to start the integration process. This action activates the connection and prompts a few final steps to ensure everything is linked properly. You're doing great so far. As a final step, you'll encounter a confirmation window. It's very important that you don't skip this step. Confirming here finalizes the integration, making the habit tracker a part of your Todoist experience. Simply click Confirm, and you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully added the habit tracker to your Todoist account. Now, the door is open for you to start setting goals and tracking daily and weekly habits. Consistency is key when it comes to developing new habits, and with the Todoist habit tracker, you'll have a reliable way to maintain and track your progress toward achieving your goals. Thanks for tuning in to our guide today. I genuinely hope that this empowers you to enhance your productivity with Todoist. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.